guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, nice to see you again. So this year I've decided I'm gonna start another new series. Other than my story time series, I'm gonna do a makeup series, and the series is the Zodiac sign series. So the first episode of the series is Aquarius. So this is the look that I came up with, so I'll be showing you guys how I came up with this look and everything. And then also I was thinking, what, because I'm going to be doing a voiceover whilst I'm doing the look, so I was thinking I'll do where I talk about the sign, like what's the traits of Aquarius, aka what they like, what they don't like, who are they compatible with, what they and stuff like that. So that's what I thought I'll do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before this video carries on, make sure you subscribe. If you like seeing videos like this, a Zodiac series and everything like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The button is just right there. You click on it, click the notification bell, and then you get notified every single time I upload the video, so that you know when the look is up, so that you don't miss anything. So make sure you do that. Okay guys, so let's just get into it. So before I actually started to do my makeup, I did go in with this Revolution liquid highlighter in the Unicorn Ellipsis, and I put this underneath my foundation. I just wanted to give it some sort of glow coming through my foundation and give it more of a mystical look. So this is what I did with the liquid highlighter, and this is why I put it underneath my foundation. But the rest of my foundation routine is very basic to what I normally do. My foundation, my conceal, my powder and stuff like that. So it's all very basic. But whilst I'm doing this, I do want to talk a bit about the star sign. So the star sign is the Aquarius. But before we get started, I just want to do just say disclaimers. I'm not a professional, I'm not a scientist. All the information that I say on this video, I did get it from the internet. I will list the websites that I got these information from down below, so make sure you go check it out. But anyways, so the Aquarius sign. Aquarius is an astrology zodiac sign. The element is air. The color is light blue, silver or electric blue. The date is Saturday. The ruler is Uranus, and the greatest overall compatibility is Leo Sagittarius. The lucky numbers are 4, 7, 11, 22 or 29, and the date ranges between the 20th of January and the 18th of February. Their strengths are they're progressive, original, independent and humanitarian. The weaknesses are they run from emotional expression, they're temperamental, they're uncompromising and aloof. Aquarius likes having fun with friends, helping others, fighting for causes, intellectuals, conversation, and good listeners. What Aquarius dislikes are limitations, broken promises, being lonely, dull or boring situations, and people who disagree with them. Aquarius born are shy and quiet, but on the other hand, they can be eccentric and energetic. However, in both cases, they are deep thinkers and highly intellectual people who love helping others. They are able to see without prejudice on both sides, which makes them people who can easily solve problems. Although they can easily adapt to the energies that surrounds them, Aquarius born have a deep need to be sometimes alone and away from everything in order to restore power. People born under the Aquarius sign look at the world as a place full of possibilities. That's a little bit of information about the Aquarius sign. Next I'm going to go in with this white clay pot from Tarte that I'm going to be using as my gel for my eyebrows. I've decided to do my eyebrows white just because I wanted to make it a bit more, I guess, different. I didn't want to have the same old brown / black eyebrows. I wanted to have white eyebrows, which is a bit different, so that's what I decided to do. So I'm just gonna, what I tend to do is I tend to outline my eyebrows first. So I start at the bottom, then I work on my top half, and then once I've got the basic shape of my eyebrows, I try to fill it in with the color that I'm using. So the next thing I'm going to go in is with this Revolution eye primer. I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid just as the base to prepare it for the colours I'm going to be using on top, so that the colours don't fade out so quickly. Next I'm going to go in with this liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in the colour Blue Velvet, and I'm just put it in my eyelid, then I'm just going to buff it in and just spread it out all over my eyelid and also bring it down to my nose. So I'm just bringing the colour down my nose just to contour it a bit. So I'm using the blue colour to just contour my nose a bit, but not too far down. So now I'm going to go in with this Midnight Unicorn and be using this electric blue that's got a little bit of glitter in it, and I'm just going to use that as also my base. So I'm just like building up my colours. So I started with the blue liquid lipstick, now I'm going with a blue shadow and then slowly just building up my base. Next I'm going to go in with this Lottie London Extremely Living My Best Life palette, eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using this electric glitter blue, and as you can see it's added a bit more depth onto the makeup look. So it's still, the eyeshadow is still quite glittery and everything, but it's more shimmer than glitter. So it's like slowly building up and everything like that. And what I did with this one, I put it in my inner corner and my outer corner, and then slowly worked it inwards. And now I'm going to go back in with this eye primer from Revolution, and I'm just going to put that in the center of my eyelid and just kind of create a tornado effect on my eyelid so that I can put my other colors on top. And then I'm going to go back in with this teal green blue that I'm going to put in my middle eyelid, and this is going to act as the base for my other two colors. And then I went back into the Midnight Unicorn palette from Revolution and put that on top just to intensify the colour, because what I wanted is I wanted the look to still look a bit blue, but I also wanted to have a bit of silver in it, and I felt like added these two colours together kind of gave that effect. I'm also working the same blue that I use on my eyelid onto the bottom lashes of my eyes. Next I'm going to go in with this NYX Chrome Metallic lipstick, and I'm just going to use it as a liner. So as you can see, I'm kind of drawing out where my crease is, and then I'm planning to do with once I've done that, I'm just going to go in with this Revolution glitter bomb, and I'm just going to put it on top since the lipstick hasn't dried yet, and just to make it pop a bit more. The point of this look, the more glitter the better, pretty much. Then I'm gonna go with this Allure eyelashes and the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit, and I'm gonna put the mascara first, and I decurl my eyelashes because my eyelashes are really curly. So what I tend to do, I put the eyelash curler upside down, and then I decurl my eyelashes, and once they're ready and the eyelash is ready, I'll put my eyelashes on. Later on you do see that my eyelashes are slowly coming off. I hate putting eyelashes, like literally I despise it, but I felt like this look needed eyelashes unfortunately, so yeah. So I've gone back into the same Midnight Unicorn palette, and I'm using the same colours that I used on my eyes. I'm just putting it on my nose area, so on top of my nose bridge, and as you can see I'm kind of just building up the colour, and this is kind of gonna act like the galaxy kind of a thing on my face, but just using the colours that I used on my eyes. So I'm not going to use any purples or any pinks, I'm just going to use the colours that I used on my eyes to put on top of my nose bridge where you would normally have freckles, I guess. And as you can see, I'm slowly building it up with each colour. I don't want to blend it all together because I don't want it to look one colour, but I want it to have like a different effect. And then I'm going in with this white liner from Revolution Pro, I think it is, and I'm just using it to create little dots of stars, white stars. And I'm just letting the white liner just to dry a bit, because now I'm gonna go in with this astrology star sign of Aquarius. So I drew it on a tracing paper, and then I went in with the white liner creating the dots, and then I put it onto my nose so that I can see where to do the outline. So that I found that was the easiest way to do it. So yeah, as you can see, I kind of like taken out, and at the moment it looks like a big blob, but the thing is I can tell which are the dots because I did most of the dots really tiny, and then the dots that I put on the paper, they were quite big so that I can connect the lines and everything. And now I'm just drawing the actual star sign, so the symbol of the star sign on my forehead, so that, because most people will know the symbol, not the actual astrology star sign, so I thought I'll do the symbol as well so that it's easier for you guys. So now I'm going back in with this kind of silver teal blue to use it as my highlight, because I wanted to keep it within the same theme. So it's more like a silvery, but it's got a tinge of blue, like a tinge of blue. But yeah, I wanted to use it as my highlight. And then I'm going back to this liquid lipstick, Blue Velvet by Jeffree Star, and I'm going to use that as my base for my lipstick. And then I'm going to go in with a teal colour from Tarts, I think it was. I can't remember the name of it, but yeah, I'm gonna go with those two colours just to create an effect, as you can see. But anyways guys, this was a fun look to create. Not gonna lie, I did improvise most of the look, because what I did, I I did a bit of research. I was like, okay, what am I going to do for this star sign? And what I did is I looked up what colors is associated with them, and I saw these are the colors, so I decided to create it with this look and everything. So I'm just gonna finish my look by using this Sports Fix Setting Spray by Revolution. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I did a bit of research to see what are the colors for an Aquarius sign. So what I found, it was electric blues, teal blues and silver. So I tried to create a look based on that colors, and also I wanted to also put the actual symbols. So this is the star sign of Aquarius on my nose right here that I just drew on, and then this is the actual sign of it and everything like that. So that's what I based the look on. What do you guys think? I feel like I did pretty well, to be honest. I kind of just improvised most of it. So I kind of just like, okay, I want this color to go here, this color to go there. I wanted to make my eyebrows completely different. I thought, if I just kept it black, I feel like it wouldn't make it as epic as it is, but I feel like I made it white. I feel like it makes it stand out quite good. So yeah, so what do you guys think? If you do like this look and this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.